Hey, we made some great ribs. These were tasty, they are juicy, they are smoky, they are fall off the bone. Just watch exactly how we did this. Hey everybody, it's Jeff with Barbecue Plus, and today we're going to cook up some spare ribs. So these are a full cut spare rib, so they've got the baby backs right down in this area, as well as kind of those softer tips out in this end. So we're just going to open these up, cook the whole thing, and see how they come out. I picked these up at my local grocery store. So we'll do a little bit of a trim on these. This is going to be a pretty simple preparation. We're just going to clean these up a little bit. Added a lot of extra little fat that we're going to cut off of here. And then we're going to put some seasoning on, throw them on the grill. Looks pretty good on that side. On here, we've got some excess stuff that's just going to kind of burn up. So we're going to clean that up, cut that off. This flap right here, we're going to cut that off because that's probably just going to burn up. Now, here's the big debate, and that is, should you pull off the silver skin, leave it on, or score it? So I'm kind of a fan of scoring it. This makes it really easy, helps the ribs to kind of stick together a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of cross hatch in here. That's also going to give me a chance to get down in there a little bit more with the rub. So without further ado, let's put some rub on. This is a rub from Misco Mountain. I think this guy was in the Northwest area and put these rubs together and thought I would give it a try, even sporting the shirt too. So this is a Chipotle barbecue spice. So this should have some good kick to it. I've tried these spices before and really enjoyed them. So we're going to make sure we get these coated really well. So there we go. We got the Yoder 640 over here, and this is cranked up to about 250 degrees. I think our internal temperature is running just over 200. It's a cold day. It's February. There's some snow on the ground out here yet. I actually had to shovel out this area before I got started here. We're just going to throw this onto the barbecue pit and let them go. They look pretty happy there. We'll check in with them a little bit later. It'll check in on the ribs here. They're looking good, but I want to make sure they don't dry out. So we're going to put a little bit of apple juice on them. Don't know where my squirt bottle is, so there we go. Now I got a squirt bottle. There's a nice dousing of apple juice. We're in at about 2 hours and 45 minutes. Going to give them a little bit more time, probably about another 20-25 minutes or so, and then I think I'm going to wrap these up. We are 3.5 hours in. These are looking nice. They got a nice mahogany color on them. We're gonna drizzle a little bit more apple juice on. And then we're gonna turn these over. We're about 5.5 hours in. These are looking really good. We're going to give them a little bit of a wrap. Put them on some aluminum foil and seal them up for a few minutes. Oh, those are looking good. We've got a little bit of butter that we're just going to put right over the top there. We're going to add a little bit more of that rub that we started out with. A little bit of the apple juice. And we're going to put in some of this Bachan's Japanese barbecue sauce. Bring the sides up there. Seal that up, and these are going to go back on the grill. We're just going to give those a few more minutes for that to set in and kind of steam inside of the aluminum foil, and this is going to turn out really terrific. Excited for these. All right, it is time to take these off. So we're going to pull these ribs off and give them a try. All right, look at that steam come off of there. These are looking pretty fine. We're going to open these up and take a look. Oh, we had a lot of steam, a lot of juice in there. First little bit out of there. Let's see what this tastes like. That is absolutely wonderful. Take a look at that. They are juicy. Those are looking really, really good. Nice clean bone comes right off of there. Gonna grab just a little bit. This is some folks say that this is the best bite off of those rib tip ends. Smoky, juicy. Yeah, it is the bomb. Look at how clean those bones come off of there. Tender, that rub is great. Has a tiny little bit of spice to it. Not bad at all. This is really a good tasting rib. I would say that makes an absolute winning rib. I could just, and I might, just eat these all night. We're going to wrap these up and serve them tomorrow afternoon. I'm going to reheat them at that point. These should be terrific. Hey, if you like the content that we're doing here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and share it with a friend so maybe they can be a little bit inspired. If I've inspired you with this video or any others that are on my YouTube site, go ahead and share that with a friend, and make sure you go and cook something great in your backyard this weekend. From Barbecue Plus, thanks for watching.